Ultra-processed food, sugar-loaded foods designed for addiction are everywhere. Artificial sweeteners that confuse your natural chemistry are in everything. Chronic emotional stress that burns out insulin balance is affecting millions. And pharmaceuticals that silence symptoms while deeper damage spreads is a real danger. In indigenous systems, the pancreas was never ignored. It was supported through ritual, fasting, breath, sound, and herbs aligned with Earth's wisdom. This organ doesn't just process food, it translates life. When the sweetness of living is stolen and replaced with synthetic comfort, we lose access to our joy. But the body remembers. The pancreas can heal, not with shortcuts, but through nourishment, sacred rhythm, and herbal allies.